Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today we are unboxing another mystery box from Pastel Roses. So they are a brand from the UK that sell absolutely stunning eye pigment eyeshadows. The last time I purchased anything was another mystery box because I wanted to see what the brand was like, and I absolutely loved it. So today we are unboxing another one, and it's just got some simple eyeshadows in there as well, but they're all mystery one, so I'm very excited to do some swatching. I'll be very careful because last time, because they're so pigmented, they started scattering everywhere, so I'm going to be extra careful. But it comes with this little card that just says thank you for your purchase. They also have stores kind of in the EU as well, so if you don't live in the UK, you live in the EU, they also have a separate store. So you get 5 eyeshadows, and I'm just going to open them in no particular order and show you them. The first shade we have is called Night Wolf, so let's open it up and see. It's this absolutely beautiful blue, so let's give this a swatch very carefully. That is absolutely stunning. And then shade number 2 is called Cosmic Roll, so let's have a look what the shade is. Ooh. So it's kind of like a pinkish purple. That is absolutely stunning. Next we have the shade Starlight, so let's have a look. Okay, so this is a little bit similar to the last one, but I'm sure it's different in its own way. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's very different. It's more of an orange tone, and this one's more of a purple tone as orange. Next we have the shade Lilac Rose, so let's have a look. Okay, so this is slightly broken, but that's okay. Let's give this a swatch. It's kind of like a, it's like a pinkish. Let's see. Oh, wow. These are so stunning. I mean, if you guys have not tried these type of pressed eyeshadows before, they're absolutely stunning. And then the last shade we have is called Sparkling Sands. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, so this is like a bit of a golder tone. Let me give this a little swatch across. And alright, beautiful. I mean, yeah, I knew these were going to be stunning anyway, so let's just go through them again. So we've got Night Wolf, which is probably my favourite one because I feel like it's a bit different than all the others, like they're all quite similar in their own way. So next you've got Cosmic Well, then you have Starlight, then you have Lilac Rose, and then you have the last one, which is called Sparkling Sands. So yeah, all together, I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. They are, some of them are quite similar, but you know what, they all have different kinds of tones to them, which is great because I'm definitely going to be using these because they're so amazing for like eyeshadow toppers or anything if you want to wear them by themselves. Like Pastel Roses are very affordable as well, so if you want to get an eye shimmer or kind of like loose pigments, which are kind of maybe $5.99 each. Sometimes they have some amazing deals as well, and they always have some like random bundle, which is what I purchased from these. I used some points and I use a couple other kind of discounts and stuff to get a really good discount, so keep an eye out on their site. But if you ever want to have a look at their website, I believe it's just Pastel Roses Shop. Have a look because they're an indie brand and they make some amazing makeup. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this very quick video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. So warm in here. Please don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias because I'm always active on there. Thanks so much for listening to me ramble on. I will see you soon. Bye.